Hello viewers, this is a Toyota Land Cruiser. Today we are going to do a basic service for this 1HZ engine. If you guys interested to learn, please stick around. Remember guys, always disconnect battery terminals first before you change oil or repair your cars. Remove the oil drain bolt. Put a basin down and wait until the engine oil complete drain. Tighten the oil drain bolt after engine oil completely drained. I don't have filter socket, I have modified this socket. I'm going to remove the oil filter, and this is easy, you can make your own. Now we are removing the oil filter. There might be some engine oil in the filter, put something down the vehicle. The weather is pretty warm here. We are going to use 15W40 engine oil. Before placing the filter, lubricate the O-ring. Use filter removal tool. Tighten the oil filter. Now we are filling the engine oil. Engine oil capacity is depend to the engine. This is a Toyota Land Cruiser with 1HZ engine. We are adding 9.6 liters. Please, before buying engine oil, check your car's owner manual, see how many liter oil need your car. Check the oil level. Make sure the vehicle is parked on the level area. There are two dots. I hope I could catch it with my camera. These dots show us the oil level. Now I'm tightening the oil cup. We are going to remove the old air cleaner. Take a piece of cloth, wipe the filter housing. Check the new filter and put it in the housing. Tighten the nut. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we are going to replace the fuel filter. Disconnect the fuel filter water sensor socket. Use Allen key, remove the fuel filter head. Use wire or zip ties, secure the fuel filter head. Drain the existing fuel from the filter housing. The filter housing is pretty clean, I'm not going to wipe it. Put the new filter in the housing. Lubricate the O-ring. Put the filter housing on, tighten the screws. Connect the filter water sensor socket. There are two pipes, one of them came from the fuel tank and another one goes to the injection pump. Remove the one which supplies fuel to the injection pump and keep pumping until the filter housing gets full. Make sure put something at the bottom of the pipe to prevent the mess. Now the fuel is coming. The filter housing full now. Connect the fuel pipe. The pipe is connected now. I'm going to pump for a second. Service done. I'm connecting the battery terminal. Always double check, make sure oil filter not leaking. Some people they just put on the terminals and forget to tighten them. If you are not sure, please always check it. Check the coolant level, if it is low please add. I already inspect the power steering fluid, there is no leakage and it is pretty clean and level. Air filter is very important. If the filter housing head is not tight well, the engine will suck a lot of dust. It will cause a major problem in your engine. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.